bá ti fóbìnrin ló ti fáwọn ìdílé ẹ̀. Tó bá ti lọ́kọ ó ti fẹ́ dílé àwọn ọkọ rẹ̀. You cannot say you love your wife and you don't want to talk to her father because he offended you. Bàbá ìyàwó rẹ̀ ń bá jà. Ọmọlúwàbí wá dà. Ó sì ń bú bàbá ìyàwó rẹ̀ lójú ọmọ rẹ̀ tó bí sáyà, ó sì ló nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ̀. You don't want to call him. I know, I don't like it much more sorrow than this my emotion. I think I agree kí wọ́n fọ́dún. No, he doesn't call me, I won't call him. Ọmọ ẹ̀ sì níyàwó ẹ̀. Where is your responsibility? Where is your dignity? Your wife's brother, your brother's in-law. Olóṣè oníkì, onídàsí, ó bímọ ògbé, ó fẹ́yàwó òkì, ó ṣe kíní kan ló ti sọ̀rọ̀ sí ẹ̀rí, ẹ ti jọ jàre, ó wá dì í sínú. And his sister is your wife. Where is your responsibility? Where is your dignity as a man? How do you even treat your wife? Would you like your daughter in marriage to be treated the way you are treating your wife? Wasn't she aware? Some lóbìnrin náà bá lọ́kọ. So wù ẹ́ kí your son-in-law kó máa ṣe ọmọ ẹ lóbìnrin. So máa wù ẹ́ kó ṣe kó ṣe ń ṣe ìyàwó títí ẹ tó nílé. Justice. So àwọn àna wa, àwọn náà ti di relations fún wa. You have to be nice to them. You have to be good to them.